day, good day. Welcome to Crown Media and welcome to the graphic design class. So today we are going to be navigating through the PIXELLAB application. So let's move. PIXELLAB. So I'll be telling us everything inside this application. We have no work to do here, we have no design to do here. So it's just like introduction to the app and everything in and out. As you can see in this place that I'm scrolling through, these are the templates of background you can use. And you can decide to create your own background. This is 3D text. This that is moving is 3D text. This also you can see this is what they call 3D text. This is what they call 3D text. This is what they call 3D text. So what is here exactly is about the background template. If you wish, you can use this design the template. So that's not even what we are here for. So this A here, letter A, this capital letter A is font. So everything that is here is about fonts, and the reason why everything here is showing is because I'm like the text. I click on the text, assuming I didn't click on the text. You see the text is telling me to write text. So at this plus button, that's where we write our text. That's where we can write our text, as you can see. So that's what the plus button is, and as I press the plus button, you can see that the function the functions, as I press this, as I'm clicking on the text, that's when the function comes. So this is the 3D text. You can see 3D text. This is the functions, the things, what you can do with all this text here. So this about text. So this is reflection. This reflection is when you turn it on, you bring the reflection of the text you've written. So you can see it's just like looking at a glass, like a tight glass. That's how this one looks like. So you can make it further, you can make it nearer and stuff like that. So that's what it reflects with. This is shadow. I've turned it on. So this is shadow. That's the work of shadow. You can change the color. That. So this is the 3D text, the depth, and so on. This is perspective. This you can use it to draw the text anyhow you like. When you say welcome, like this is the way you come inside. You can see that the text is something else. The text is something else. fast with this. I don't want the video to be too long. The video to be too long. So everything here is understandable. Since we go to school, it's understandable. So this is size, enlarge the size, reduce it. You can enlarge it from this dot side and this side. You can increase, reduce. So this is position. If you want to move it, direction, stuff. Duplicate, that's the copy. You can copy. This is half, copy it, and I can delete it. This is delete. So let's go to this is import. This is import. If you want to import image, if you want to draw, you can draw. So this is where you need shape. This is where you bring your shape in. You can take some default shape here, and you can create your own shape yourself. It's your choice. That's how arrow doing this. So this one here is about background. This background. If I want the background to be this, we have it. If I want it to be yellow, we have it. If it's red, we have it. Green, we have it. So this is background. So that's our background. This is background size, and as you can see, we have our custom. If you want it in YouTube thumbnail, this is it. And I press OK. This is how YouTube thumbnails look like. So you can look at it. YouTube channel banner. It's the same thing. So this is image. That's what we have. This image. These are the image PIXELLAB provide for us, like they provided. So if you don't want it, you can import your own. Actually, I've not even tried all this background before. I just make use of my own background. So if you want to use your own background, you import from gallery. This is it over here. So that is it over there. Import it ourselves. So, and this is camera if you just want to snap it. So this vintage. And you can need it in some other design. So this is noise, stripes, brightness. You want to increase the brightness, reduce the brightness. This is it. So contrast. The image to have another color, you can just use this hue instead of you to paint it and spoil the color. Just use the contrast, hue, brightness and stuff to change the background. You see, this is black, and I realize it's finished, it turns to green. So if you want to save your projects, this is you save your projects, put your project's name, and you save it. this is a problem here. They give us here, this is if you want to save the image. When I press save, it's save, and this place, this arrow, that's you can click. That's when I was talking about quality dimension. So when I was talking about quality, this is what I meant. This now you can download high quality, very high quality, ultra quality, stuff like that. So let me just choose this high quality, and as I save to gallery, automatically image saved. It's already on my phone. So this, if you want to share to somebody, and these are quotes. Maybe you need motivational quotes, inspirational quotes, positivity quotes, success quotes, stuff. Find them here. So let's just go back. And here, this is where the layout of the layers of your design. Assuming this yellow stuff here, this yellow, if I want it to be visible, I'll just this eyes, cancel eyes. So you see that it has disappeared. If I press it back, it's visible. So you see, I can move everything here, but assuming I don't want to move it, I don't want any distraction with it, I just lock it. This is the padlock, and lock it. As I lock it, you can see I'm unable to move anything. I'm unable to move everything. And this is a major part. It allows you to align your text, your image or your text. So if you want to align them, you can use this as the measurement stuff. So and I guess that's all. I guess that's all. So I guess that's all for today. Bye.